Hi everyone, and welcome to the closing ceremony for Winter MelonJam 2022, hosted by the Cupertino Game Development Club. First of all, we'd like to thank you so much for participating in Winter MelonJam 2022. We hope you had a great experience, and we would love it if you could give us some feedback in our super short feedback form at tinyurl.com/WMJ22feedback. You also must fill out this form to be entered in the raffle, so be sure to fill it out. Most of the questions there are optional, but we would really appreciate if you could fill them out. The raffle winners will be announced on January 3rd, and the winners for the Game Jam will be announced on January 8th after all of the judges have gotten back to us and we have compiled results. We will contact winners through whatever contact information you have turned in through Itch. So, moving on, here are some sponsors' pitches and how to claim your prizes. First off, we have Lean Gap. Lean Gap is a summer camp for teenagers. In their own words, Lean Gap turns ambitious teenagers into startup founders. Come meet your co-founders and launch an impactful startup guided by mentors who are founders themselves. You'll engage with real customers and investors beyond the classroom, making you a true leader where it counts. Apply today. Lean Gap gave us a participation prize and a prize for winners. So to claim your participation prize, you must be a high schooler and contact a host. The participation prize is just a domain hosted through Lean Gap's partners. We'll contact winning teams through the contact information submitted for the winning prizes. For Tascade, which is a productivity app or website similar to Notion, you can claim their prizes by messaging Cinemu number 4230 on Discord with your Tascade username or email. For winning prizes, we will contact winning teams through the contact information submitted through Itch with a code that can be inputted in the app or website. Next, for Wolfram Alpha, it is an amazing way to solve problems and cheat on your homework, but we didn't say that. It is an answer engine that answers factual queries by computing answers from externally sourced data. And we will contact winning teams with an award letter with instructions for their prizes. Next up, we have SideFX or Houdini, which is, in the words of one of the hosts, an epic FX engine. It is highly recommended for people who are interested in 3D games, and we will contact winning teams again through contact information submitted, but we will most likely need your full name and email, so have that prepared. Recursive Dragon is an organization that specializes in Yusuko and other programming training. They sponsored us in cash for this event, so we will contact winning teams through the contact information submitted. And for all cash prizes, it is up to the team to divide the money between members. Next, Game Salad. It's a way to make games without needing to code. You can claim the participation prize only if you use Game Salad in your prototype or final game during the jam, so be sure to contact a host if that means you. For the winning prizes, again, we'll contact winning teams through contact information submitted. Interview Cake is a way to master programming interviews. And again, we'll contact winning teams. Echo 3D is a 3D-focused API and cloud infrastructure to store, update, secure, and stream 3D content for real applications. It works with Unity too, so we encourage you to try it out. You can claim the participation prize through the link at the end of Jam or feedback form that we linked in the beginning of the presentation. If you missed it, please contact a host. Pixel Edit is a pixel art editor designed to make it fun and easy to make tile sets, levels, and animations. We have a raffle prize and winning prizes for Pixel Edit, and for all raffle prizes, we will contact you through the form of communication you turned in through the Google form. For winning prizes, again, we will contact you through whatever contact information you put through Itch, and for Pixel Edit, we'll just send you a key that you can activate. Again, another thank you to our sponsors because this would not have been possible without them. Thank you so much for participating in MelonJam and listening to the closing ceremony. We hope everyone was able to enjoy this game jam and further pursue any passions in game development, and we look forward to seeing you in future game jams. Be sure to stay in our server for announcements. And if you'd like to keep honing your game development skills, we urge you to check out the lessons in our website. Follow our Instagram too if you want. Thank you so much.